Okay, good afternoon. Update tayo sa Kalye Serye. So, makikita nyo, right now, we are here in Bangkok, Thailand. Suvarnabhumi Airport. Nasabi ko ba ng tama? I think I say it correctly. So, as you can see, ang ganda ng arrival nila, no, airport. Tignan nyo naman yung walk-a-lator nila. All the way to the end. And part. So, yan ang isa sa mga Khao-mai Island. Tingnan natin sa kabila. Yan naman. Yan. Okay. May nakita tayo doon, orange sa tao. So, makikita nyo ang difference ng arrival. Ang laki-laki ng airport ng Thailand. Ang linis-linis sa flooring pa lang. Okay. So, i-compare nyo sa ating airport sa Pilipinas. So, kayo na lang mag-comment kung anong gusto nyo i-comment. Comparing airport ng ibang bansa sa airport natin sa Pilipinas. Dapat may ganito rin tayo, walk-a-lator na non-stop, walang katapusang walk-a-lator. So convenient, di ba?
Hindi katapusan naman. Every segment niya start, pero konting yata, diretso.
Yeah. Oh, di ba? May mga ganyan pa silang design, di ba? Welcome to Bangkok, Thailand. Always say it's nice to be back home.
Why back home?
No, because we stay here in Thailand for almost 5 years. So
More than
5 years, and this is our
second home.
No. Fourth home.
Second home.
Ganda naman ng mga ano nila. See that? Like
Gold cart. May gold cart sila.
The traditional Thai clothes ng stewardess.
Yun yung gold cart nila. Ang dami niya.
Okay, we are in immigration lobby. So, let's see haba ng pila from here pa lang. We are gonna move to another section of immigration because that immigration is full, over na, crowded. Okay, so we are in the conveyor. After the immigration, we just complete the immigration. Everything's okay, smooth. So you can see the conveyor here. So they have the line, right? Na you don't need to cross over that. Hindi kagaya sa Pilipinas, airport natin, lahat ng mga trolley dyan, sisiksikan, di ba? Dito, you can see people are behave. People are behave in Thailand. Not like in Philippines, matitigas ang ulo. They don't follow. See? Just follow the line, right? Everything's under control. Okay. See? And see? And marami silang cart, diba? Available ang cart everywhere. So convenient. Kailangan mo ng telephone, fairway, pagdating nyo ng Thailand, ito na kaagad, diba? Ayan, True, merong AIS, ayan, bili lang kayo dyan ng ano nyo, Line, Limousine, ayan, ayan dyan. Oh, this is my favorite, my best friend, the robot cleaner. Meron ba niyan sa Pilipinas? Wala. See how spacious, di ba? And how clean the conveyor here comes to arrival. Yeah, custom. And then exit kayo sa exit B. Then malabas na kayo dyan. Bangkok na. Thailand na. Okay, kakatapos lang namin ng custom. Sa labas na kami. At of course, this is the arrival of Suvarnabhumi Airport. Next time naman, ipapakita natin yung departure. Okay? So, maraming mga telephone line dyan, company, na pwede kayong bumili ng SIM card once you arrive in Bangkok. Limousine para sa mga taxi. Ayan. Okay. Very good. Okay. So, marami pa tayong i-video sa Thailand, sa Bangkok pag-landed namin. Okay. Thank you, mga kababayan. Pagandahin natin ang ating Pilipinas.